Hello mga seniors! Merry Christmas! Ilang araw na lang, Pasko na. At pagsisimula na mga Christmas party! And then may mga Kris Kringle, di ba? Lagi may Kris Kringle tayo. At pag Kris Kringle, lagi ang problema natin ay mga pangregalo. Lalo na pag merong may team or suggested nila kung anong kailangan dalhin mo. Okay, pag sinabi nilang brings something round for our first day, ito ang ating dadalhin. Something round, cutting corral. Okay? Second day, sabi nila, bring something that is low and hard. At sticky. Long, hard, sticky. Meron din tayo cutting ko stick. Ayan siya. O, diba? Long, hard, sticky. Third day, sabi nila, bring something that is relaxing. Cold and relaxing. Siyempre, andyan ang efficacent relaxing oil. Okay ba? And then, sabi nila, bring something that will ease the pain. Marami sa atin ang malungkot at nasasaktan. So, eto na po ang Chinese rub for pain. It will relieve pain very fast. Okay. And then, sabi nila, bring something smelly. Andyan din ang Katingko smell inhaler and something ito from Thailand. Okay, we're now on our last but not the least. Sabi, bring something white. So, bring white flower! Yay! Enjoy ang mga ka-seniors. Kung gusto nyo mas mahal, eto na. Kung mas generous kayo magregalo, eto to relax you o roller massager. Medyo mahal nga lang, it's pricey, but then it's Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas everyone. Sana nabigyan ko kayo ng tip kung anong dadalhin nyo, right? Merry Christmas everyone.